Hi guys, if you're new here, my name's Ian, and if you're not, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about an idea I had when I was filming a previous video, which was actually, if you saw last week's video, it was about how MagSafe is becoming the future. Now, we know MagSafe is going to be integrated on every device coming to market at some point in the near future, which I think is great. There are case manufacturers doing it, so if you buy a Samsung Galaxy S23 that recently came out, you can buy a MagSafe case and use MagSafe accessories just like I can with my iPhone. And that's great because the convenience of MagSafe, the ability to take my wallet, put it on my iPhone, take a portable charger, put it on my iPhone, take a wireless charger, magnetically attach it to my iPhone, and my iPhone is charging. I mean, not right now, it's not plugged in, but you get the idea. So, it got me to thinking, what if I take my MagSafe wallet and only use this as my wallet? So, for those of you who don't know, this is Apple's MagSafe wallet. It's a leather wallet in the color Midnight because they didn't make a blue. So I got Midnight. Now, they did make a blue with their previous version, but what I like specifically about this new version, which was released back with the iPhone 13s, is this one does have Find My integration enabled. So if I take off the wallet and I take it off for a long period of time, I'd say about after a minute, I get an alert saying Ian's wallet was detached and it was at this location, which I think is pretty cool because getting an alert that, oh, your wallet may have fallen off your phone is the same thing that the AirTag I have in my actual wallet does. But that's besides the point. Find My is great. We all know that. We've all used it. We've all used it at some point to find a lost device. So it retails for $60 from Apple, although as I said before, they did make an older version of this, which you can definitely find. And the Find My integration is the only thing that came with this new version. It's not U1 Find My like with AirTags, it's basic Find My, meaning all you can do is just find where it is and mark it as lost. So if someone picks it up, sticks on their iPhone, they'll get a pop-up essentially to call you at the phone number or email, or send you an email with whatever you provide, which is pretty cool that, like, if you find a lost wallet, you can also have a way to contact the owner, because there's no way to, if someone, like if I lost this, there'd be no way to find it, minus the fact that I have an AirTag in it. So my idea got me thinking, what if I replace this with this, which this can hold about 3 to 4 cards. 4 is really pushing it. If you have some skinny cards, like reward cards or discount cards, they could probably fit. But a credit card, if you're trying to put 4 credit cards in there, good luck. So I carried, I'd say, 3 cards with me. I carried my driver's license, my student ID, and my credit card, because you never know when you're going to run into that place that's not going to accept Apple Pay. Now, it is 2023. Almost every place I've gone to has accept Apple Pay or accept some form of contactless payments. So that's not, do I really need to carry that one credit card with me? I could probably get away without it. But I don't want to be like, hey, let's go here, or whatever the case may be, and then not have a way to pay for it. Because while the people I'm with may, I'm going to be the one who's like, because I chose to not bring an actual wallet, I now have to Venmo you, or whatever the case may be is. So it was really, I just felt it would be inconvenient. Now, while I didn't run into that, because there are contactless payments and there were such great ways to manipulate that situation if it did arise, it really got me thinking, why is my wallet this thick? So I do carry cash, because you also may never know when you may need cash. And this, you see how thin this is. Well, it does magnetically attach to my iPhone like this and stays right there, and I can use it, take it off when I don't want it. I love that. Because it's the same way with my real wallet. I'm not carrying that around with me when I'm just sitting on the couch, am I? No. So, having the ability to just, when I need it, and take it off when I don't, I love that. And also getting those Find My alerts when I do take it off, if I take it off for prolonged periods of time, is great. And having those 3 cards on me really made me rethink, why do I have 12 credit cards in here? Now, they're not all credit cards. Some are discount cards. Some are... I have a total of 12 cards. Not all... Like, between IDs, credit cards, rewards, and some cash, and an AirTag. This is very thick, and it's very unnecessary. But what I did realize with this, I didn't like having to sacrifice my one credit card that I was physically carrying with me. Because while I have all my credit cards on my watch, all my credit cards on my iPhone, I don't have cash on me. And if I ever need cash, for whatever the reason may be, I would have to take out my physical credit card, or my license, or my student ID. And while, yes, I would know based on what was going on, I might not need one of those. But 9 times out of 10, I'm going to need my license. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to need my student ID. And maybe 5 times out of 10, I would need an actual credit card. So I've decided that credit card would come out when I would need to carry some cash with me. Although you really can't carry more than like 2-3 bills. So, oh, and good luck if you get change, because this is thin. And while it does stretch a little, this is still thin. So, overall, I would definitely replace my actual wallet with a MagSafe wallet, because this is just too much. Like, can we as a society, like, normalize not having a wallet this thick? That'd be great. I would love that, because while we're getting there, let's get there a little faster. Now, have you ever tried this? I encourage you, if you have a MagSafe wallet, I want to hear if you would, A, if you've tried this, B, do you think I'm insane for now replacing my actual wallet with a MagSafe wallet? Because I don't think I've seen anyone else do this anywhere on the internet. Look, maybe some people have. They haven't talked about their experience. So if you have, drop a comment below. I want to hear what you have to say, because I love this. Going forward, honestly would not be surprised if I no longer use my actual wallet. And while you're down there, if you want to hit the subscribe or like button, I'd also really appreciate that, because that means you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out for you, and that really means a lot. It helps me out a lot. It also helps me grow as a channel. Right now, we're a very small channel, but we all start somewhere, and it's okay. You know, today's a good day to make a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.